November 19th, 2020 lesson. Complete the ratio table and then plot the points. All right, so it says Haley's allowance is $5 per week. So if she has $5 per week, for the first week, well, her dollar amount she's going to have total is going to be $5. In 2 weeks, how many dollars will she have then? So if she has that first week was $5, that second week, she's going to have another $5, so it's going to be $10. Then she'll have $15 on her third week because we're multiplying by 5. If you notice how we go from 1 to 5, we multiply by 5. 2 times 5 is 10. 3 times 5 is 15. 4 times 5 is 20. And if you can see, we're going up by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Now, our ordered pair is going to be these two numbers. So we're going to have weeks and then dollars. If you can look on this axis here, or on our coordinate plane, so we have a graph over here. The weeks is on the bottom, which is the x-axis. This is going to be what comes first. And then we'll have our y-axis. So first, we're going to have that 1 week. Then we're going to have that $5. The next one, we have 2 weeks, and then $10. Then we'll have 3 weeks, and $15. Then we'll have 4 weeks, $20. Then she'll have in her pocket, and then after 5 weeks, she will have $25 in her pocket. Now, we need to take this ordered pair. We're going to plot the points. So we're going to go over 1, up 5. So our ordered pair goes X and then Y. X comes before Y in the alphabet, as well as Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So our X-axis is the first axis. That's the bottom. So the number of weeks. So for 1 week, we're going to have $5. So we're going to pull one of these, and we're going to have, for 1 week, we're going to go down over 1, up 5. So 1 week, $5. Here's the dollars, here's the weeks. Also, what I like to think of is you have to walk down the hallway first in order to get on the elevator to go up the floors. So you have to walk to the elevator and then you can go up on the elevator. You can't just jump. You gotta walk and then go up the elevator. Down the hall, up the elevator. All right, 2. You go over 2, up 10. So 2 weeks. So we're going to go for this 2 weeks. Whoa, not the graph. We're going to go this 2 weeks. 1 week, 2 weeks. And we're going to go up to $10. So do you see how this 2 weeks here and then $10 here, those line up? I can even put a line here to show you. Yeah, there we go. I can even show you with this line here. And I can make another line. So, there we go. Okay. If I do it again. No. Okay, so, 3 weeks, $15. So if I go over 3, so I'm going to go over 3, 1, 2, 3. Up to $15. Here's $5, $10, $15. Look, we're making a line. Over 4, up 20. Over 4, up 20. And then over 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 25. So that is going to be how we graph it. And that's it. Great job, everybody.